Hello YouTube, this is Will Tate, Yacht Boss with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2004 Rinker 312. Let's get into it.
Twin Bravo 3 outdrives.
Great swim platform, plenty of room. Gel coat on this boat is in great shape. Starting out the back of the boat, this boat does come equipped with upgraded cushions and seats. Vinyl looks absolutely phenomenal with diamond stitching. Great side area, L shape for your friends. Dual helm seat. In the back, we've got a refrigerator, sink. The seller is a man after my own heart. He's got his dashboard covered. Folks, again, I'm going to preach it forever. The three things that kill a boat: the sun, the salt, and the captain. Always have everything covered up. Always have your dash covered up. Now let's take a look at how awesome these electronics are. This boat's got over $70,000 in upgrades. Look at this dash, all set up with triple Garmin screens, plunger switches, new Fusion stereo. Absolutely phenomenal. New VHF. Really well laid out. So all your engine instrumentation and everything will show up on the Garmin screen. One of the nice things about this boat, it does have an upgraded swim sun cushion up front. It does have backrest, so it does tilt up with some speakers so you can listen to some music while you're laying out in the sun. Queen bed in the stern. Upgraded TV, L-shaped couch with an upgraded table. Another full up front for the V berth. Upgraded Fusion stereo. In the galley, we've got a nice fridge. Dual burner cooktop. Nice thing about Rinker, everything, your panels very well laid out and illuminated. Microwave, sink. Again, one of the nice things about Rinker is the headroom. Plenty of headroom. It also is very wide in here. Very spacious for a 31-foot boat. Head and shower with a macerator toilet. You can run it off raw water or fresh water. Welcome to the engine room. Guys, there is brand new motors put in this boat 2 years ago. They've got 2 years worth of usage. This boat is ready to go with all the upgraded fuel cool systems, etc. Bilge is nice and clean. Genset located here. Holding tank. Fresh water. Guys, this boat is a turnkey boat. You want a boat that's going to last you 3 years, 4 years. Usually is the tenure of a boat. Boat ownership on average. This boat has got everything done to it. Yes, you can buy little cheaper boats. However, you're going to have to put what this boat is going for into it. This boat is ready to go for the season. Like I said, turnkey. If you are interested in this boat, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name is Will Tate. I'm a yacht boss. I represent Not 10 Yacht Sales. My number is 410-353-3380. If you'd like to see this boat and see some more boats, please subscribe to our channel. The Yacht Boss Team channel is a fantastic resource for getting some walkthroughs on boats and a little extra content as well. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great day, YouTube.